In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do paper trading in GoCharting. Paper trading is a safe way to practice entries, exits, and order management without risking real money, and GoCharting makes the process straightforward once you know where everything lives. Start by heading to the GoCharting website. From the homepage, open the products menu, then choose charts. This takes you into the charting terminal where you'll do all your simulated trading. Once the terminal loads, look for the account area. Open it, then go to balance. This is where you can view your available simulated funds. It's important to confirm you're using the simulator, so select GoCharting Sim browser and make sure it's clearly active. This prevents accidental live orders and ensures everything you do is practice only. Next, check My Orders. This panel will display any open, filled, or canceled simulated orders. Even if it's empty now, it's useful to know where to come back and review your activity, track fills, and manage positions. Now, go to the Trade panel. This is where you choose your side and order type. You can select Sell if you want to go short or reduce a long, or Buy if you want to go long or cover a short. Below that, pick your order type based on how you want the order to execute. Limit lets you set a specific price. It's great for precision but may not fill immediately. Market executes right away at the best available price. It's fast, but fills can vary. Stop is a trigger order that activates when price crosses your stop level. Traders often use it to enter on momentum or to protect positions. Stop limit combines a stop trigger with a limit execution, giving you more control over the price once the stop is hit. With your side selected and order type chosen, place the order by clicking Buy if that's your intended action. The simulator will process it just like a real trade using your paper account balance. After you place the order, return to My Orders to monitor it. You'll see whether it's working, filled, or canceled, along with basic details that help you evaluate your decision making. That's the full workflow. Open charts, check account and balance, confirm GoCharting, Sim, browser, review My Orders, use the trade panel to choose sell or buy, pick between limit, market stop, or stop limit, click Buy to place it, and verify everything in My Orders. Practice these steps until they feel second nature, and you'll be ready to transition your process to live markets with greater confidence.